Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on the Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today we'll be doing something fun. We'll be making these little mini breakfast frittatas, which are great to make in advance. You can make a large batch and then you have some that morning and store the rest in the freezer that you can use throughout the week. So on that note, let's go downstairs and get started. All good things start with crispy bacon. Now I could cook all the bacon I need at once in my oven, but cooking on a cast iron skillet has a certain charm for me, so I'll do 2 batches here. Now time to drain the bacon, and once it's cooled, we'll coarsely crumble it. Bacon fat is like gold, so I'm going to use this to saute the onions and then reserve the rest of it for another time. And while the onions are cooking, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the onions are done, it's time to add the spinach. I love using Taiwan spinach that I get from my local Asian market, but baby spinach works just as well. One of the tricks I learned early on is to break eggs in a separate bowl if using multiple eggs. That way you don't have one bad egg ruining the whole batch. For this recipe, I'll use about a half a teaspoon each of freshly ground pepper and kosher salt, and a dash of chili flakes add a hint of heat. The baking powder is a secret ingredient that helps to make the frittatas light and fluffy. You only want to fill the tins about 3/4 full, as they will rise in the oven while they're baking. And now for the final ingredients. I'm using Brie here, but cheddar cheese is also fantastic. I'll wait a few minutes for these to cool, and then I'll use an offset spatula to lift them out. They look and smell so delicious. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.